In less than 2 minutes, I've just created this entire Google Doc for my grade 9 digital design class to help with reflection. Now, it's a new feature that they've just embedded, which is basically creating docs, slides, presentations, all that kind of stuff. But I want to show teachers how you can create real engaging resources aligned to your curriculum and your student levels pretty much instantaneously. So this is written for the design curriculum. This is generated with tables formatting the lot about questions and context for our specific task. So let's go ahead and show you how I've done it. So this is Claude. If you haven't used Claude Code or Claude before, it is AI is direct competition with ChatGPT right now, but they've got this new feature where it can search your past history and you can create ready to downloaded Google Docs. So it integrates with your Google Drive, or you can just download it and then edit it later. So you can see here's a full artifact that is created, which is pretty unreal from this single prompt. Now, remember, context-enabled accuracy, you need to do a few things with prompting. So let's go through it. You're going to create a simple reflection document for testing the chatbots that have been created by the student from the previous chats. So just context, my grade 9s are designing chatbots for different year levels for game development. This is to do with AI and digital citizenship. That's the unit in a nutshell. Now, I didn't want to give it all my old context. I just said go back in my previous chats and you can see my history. This checklist that you're going to be creating is suggestions for testing their bots that they've just created. For example, off-topic conversations. What did the bot do? Reinforcing language, length and reading level of the text. They are critically evaluating the design of the chatbot. They will then test their own, and then they'll test the bot of another team for a different year group. The intention is to identify what is working well, what issues are present, and does the conversations collect data of understanding students have regards to digital citizenship and AI. This task is designed for grade 9. Now go ahead and do it. So it's basically sifted through what the project files are for my AI. It's looking at the different documentations. Now it's going to create this comprehensive document for IP. Generating. This took about 2 minutes. I said, here's what I've structured. And as you can see, it's just generated peer evaluation, another team's chatbot, and it's given some breakdowns all at language levels for grade 9. So pretty unreal. I've just then downloaded it here and then put it over onto my Google Classroom. As you can see, ready to go. So students have got it. It's even categorized. This is a red task for traffic light system. So nice and simple, straightforward, but it took less than 2 minutes to create and just prompting with a couple of key informations. If you are unfamiliar with Claude, I have a 10-minute Learn Claude in 10 minutes video. I'll link it in the description and you can go and have a look. This is the premium version. It's about $35 a month. Pretty unreal what you can do with it at the moment. It's honestly, this would have taken hours in formatting, in creating this document, and now it is a fully ready to go student use. They can do whatever and I can track it nice and easily. So really speeding up our creation time for meaningfully aligned resources. Hope this helped. Remember, effort equals results. I will see you in the next one.